and welcome to Assembly Audible. I'm your host, multimedia editor Jennifer Pierce. Today we're broadcasting from the Music City Center in Nashville, Tennessee, and I am joined by Daniel Bender, product specialist with Roboflow. Daniel, welcome to the podcast.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So to set the stage, tell our audience what you do as product specialist and a little bit more about the company in general.
Yeah, so I've been with Roboflow for about a year and a half, and as a product specialist, it's essentially just working with our customers, building out custom models to bring into production to solve any sort of challenge within one's physical environment.
Okay, great. So a little bit more about Roboflow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so at Roboflow, we are kind of the core platform is we're a computer vision platform to essentially, so what we do is we essentially build out and customize vision AI models to extract data from one's physical environment. Essentially how you can think of that is we deploy a camera, that camera tracks frames, tracks video, and we train a machine learning model to ingest that data and understand it in one's environment, right? So it essentially makes that camera smart, and you can use it to, imagine that deployed on a production line or within one's physical operation, and we're tracking inventory, tracking defects, actually even triggering alerts and and-on systems to essentially alert you when, hey, I have a defect or something's off within my physical environment.
Cool. Okay, so tell us about the computer vision technology you're showcasing at the show.
Yeah, so we're showcasing a couple of different demos across different industries. So kind of the name of the game is defect detection, right? So people want to know, okay, when am I seeing defects at the source so they don't make it downstream into production and either turn into overprocessing or wasted processing or actually turn into escape defects and reach the customer. So we have a couple different demos across defect detection and then also inventory counting. So some of our customers use us for that, use us to do cycle counting. And what's great about computer vision, and it's kind of enhanced the world of machine vision to essentially work in dynamic situations. So if you wanted to deploy a computer vision model to a drone, automate a drone path and understand your physical environment over a wide span of area, you could do that with a computer vision model. Whereas used to be static placement, looking at the same thing every time, we can actually work in dynamic situations with a drone path or with lighting changes or environment changes, different products or different SKUs. That's kind of really what has kind of advanced the industry of machine vision.
Oh, wow, cool. So where would I find a computer vision technology like this? In what environment?
Yeah, so there's
or
a lot
industry, I guess.
Yeah. So, it serves everywhere, anywhere from retail and understanding the customer journey and tracking inventory to manufacturing sites. So that could be industrial, that could be food and beverage. So looking for foreign material on a line that's counting candy or something like that.
Oh, interesting.
You can find it in one of our customers, BNSF. They are actually deploying us for inventory management. So they want to understand in their trailer yards where exactly my inventory is in real time, and we provide that for them. Mm-hmm. So really anywhere. Our mission is to make the world programmable and democratize computer vision.
Yeah, okay, interesting. Obviously there's a lot of hype surrounding AI these days, right? Has that affected or impacted the way you work at all, or are you utilizing that in this system at all?
Yeah, I'd say it would. So I mentioned earlier we have some open source tools, and our core platform is, when I say democratize computer vision, is anyone off the street can come in and build a computer vision model. You don't have to be a PhD in AI or really work in the space. We really aim to make it a no code, easy to use platform. So what I'm getting to is, when we open source tools like these, and when we utilize open source tools that are provided by Meta and SAM2 and Microsoft and Cocoa data sets, that may not mean a lot, but when we're ingraining that into our platform, it allows anyone to jump into the platform and start building. So it's really just making it extremely accessible, and I think that kind of builds hype in itself. It's hey, it's free. tool's open source, and then also it's
Absolutely.
easy to use, right? So it's really kind of building hype that way.
Oh yeah, 100%. Okay, so what's on the horizon for Roboflow? Do you have any projects that you're excited about?
Yeah, so I'd love to plug our new model, RF Dieter. So it's a state-of-the-art model that we actually trained in-house.
Okay.
So feel free to check that out. You can actually use it in the platform now and
All
fine-tune.
right. Well, Daniel, thank you so much for your time today.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
Until next time, thanks for listening. Bye-bye.